What's up, everybody? It's your boy Dave P with the Cream. If you're new to the channel, Cream is for cash flow, real estate, and money. We are full-time real estate investors. We talk about everything real estate, cash flow, entrepreneurship, and today we are talking about the biggest headline in the real estate business right now is the new home sales have fell 16.6%. So new home sales, these are homes that were just built by builders, have fallen off a cliff, literally are down 16.6%. Huge news. We're gonna talk a little bit about why that's happening. And quite honestly, we warned about this several months ago. I felt that new construction is not the right business to be in. It's not the best business to be in for several reasons. So we're gonna be getting into these reasons on why new construction, I feel, is actually probably the most risky type of real estate investing that we possibly could be a part of, especially in today's times. And then these interest rates that went up, it really just kind of put a nail in the coffin for things, and we're starting to see that. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you love real estate as much as we do, feel free to like, share, and leave any questions that you may have in the comments. So getting into new home sales down 16.6%. The biggest catalyst on why this happened was because the interest rates have increased. And we're going to get into that. Obviously, when the rates go up, that means less buyers are in the market. That means there's less affordability, right, in the market. Less people can afford a brand new home when the money that they're using to buy this new home has doubled. The interest rates have doubled on them, right? That means their payment has gone up tremendously. So a lot of people are kind of walking away from these big ticket home purchases and canceling their contracts and whatnot. But as I mentioned, we felt strongly that new construction, and we were talking to our followers and to our students in the Cream community, hey, new construction is risky business, and I'll tell you exactly why. Number one is the price of land has gone up dramatically. The price of land has increased dramatically along with all real estate. So people are paying a premium. If you're a new builder and you're looking to do this new construction project, you got to buy the land, right? And the cost of that land has gone up dramatically. Next is all the red tape that comes along with new construction. So when you're building something from the ground up, you got to deal with the municipalities. So you got to deal with, filing for permits and all the surveying that happens and just all of the things that you have to go through the municipalities to get approved. And this could take 6 months, 9 months, 12 months. So all the red tape that a new construction project has to go through, it could really eat into your profits because remember, you most likely used debt to purchase the land and to build this property. And if you're waiting 6, 9, 12 months for things to get approved, you're paying interest on this money, on this loan. So you have debt but no income. When you own a piece of land and you're going through the red tape to get approvals to build something on it, you're not generating any cash flow. You're not generating, any rent or anything like that. So that could really eat into your profits. Next is taxes are going up. Property taxes are going up even on raw land. In inflationary times like we're in right now, everything's going up, including utilities, taxes, insurance, things like that. It is going up on land as well. Next up is there's a labor shortage. So obviously if you're a new home builder, somebody needs to build these properties for you. There's a labor shortage out there, and the people who are still showing up to work are demanding a premium for their wages. So not only is there a shortage of good workers out there to build these properties, but the ones that are continuously showing up, they're demanding a premium, as they should, quite honestly. But that is, in the eyes of the builder investor, that's going to cut into your profits as well. Next is the building materials. You don't need me to tell you this. Building materials has gone through the roof in these times that we're in. Now, I will admit lumber has come down, I think around 44% off its highs, but it's still higher than pre-COVID levels. And it's not just lumber to build a house. You need copper wiring and all the building materials. Not only is there shortages of building materials, but the cost of these building materials has gone up. So these are all costs that the builder investor will have to undertake. And, not to mention there's debt and interest that's accruing. And if you can't sell the property because the interest rates have gone up, it really is looking worse and worse as an investment. So with this being said, I am extremely bullish on existing housing. I think everything that's going on with these new home builders and everything that is taking place right now with these rising costs and rising wages, yes, it's very bearish in the new home field, but for existing homes, I think this actually creates a case for strength in existing homes. Now, we are seeing a little bit of softening, but in the affordable housing sector, we specialize in affordable housing. There's a little bit more insulation to the affordable housing sector because people, hey, who want to downsize, they're going to move into affordable housing, and then people who want to move up, maybe out of an apartment and get a starter home, that's going to be in the affordable housing sector. So we are extremely bullish on affordable housing. We are very bearish on new construction. My hat goes off to anyone who can make it through these turbulent times in the new construction realm. I would say stick to existing housing supply, especially in that affordable housing sector. It gives you the most exit strategies, the most buyers, best financing for that affordable housing sector. And, stick with us. We're in this thing together. So it's your boy, Dave P. I will see you on the next video.